Up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl J.Lashae, and today I'm going to be taking out my pipe cleaner curls. I did these Saturday. Today is Tuesday, so yeah, today I'm just going to be taking them out, and I'm going to be taking them out with y'all. So yeah, let's get into this. So what I do when I'm taking out my curls or rollers or anything, I just use my hair growth oil, and I put a little bit in the palm of my hand to help me like take out the rollers, and also it oils your hair at the same time. I'm all done now. I don't know if I want to keep my curls. I think I'm going to keep my curls like this. I might comb them out in a couple of days with my fingers. I think I'm just going to keep my curls. But yeah, this is the finishing look of pipe cleaner curls for the girls. But yeah, I have a position. I just wear my curls wow. Let's see if I can shoot out the back. But yeah, y'all, these are my pipe cleaner curls, and it makes your hair shrink up because my hair is normally like right here. Hands up here. Give me a little bob effect. I'm gonna comb these curls out with my fingers before I know it. I do it all the time. But yeah, y'all, this is me and my pipe cleaner curls for the girls. So yeah, you are watching my video and inquiring about my natural ingredients hair products. You can also visit my Instagrams, JLashaeCreation and Royal Crown Hair Growth Oil, and in both of them you can click the link in my bio and it will take you straight to my website, so you can get you some good old oil, shampoo, conditioner, hair and body butter, hydration mist, you know, the whole shebang. But yeah, make sure y'all go check me out, and make sure you tell everybody in this city. Yeah, of course, why wouldn't you? And yeah, so if you're in the Charlotte surrounding area, Charlotte, North Carolina, I do locks and stuff, so If you need your hair done, just send me a DM through the social media, and I will definitely get back with y'all. But I appreciate y'all watching my video, showing me love. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you'll know when I upload more videos. But here, y'all, the curls for the girls. Well, y'all, thank y'all for watching my video, and I'll be back at y'all with more videos soon.